There are 14 internet search engines.
You asked her how much people.
Well, you can't ask it really complicated questions, can you, Joe? But it's quite impressive, isn't it? That's amazing, actually.
Sam, what do you want to ask Alexa?
Alexa, show camera garden.
Sorry, I didn't find a device named Camera God.
Alexa, show camera garden.
Okay.
I did it just now. It takes a while because it's got to connect to Arlo, which is a pain in the butt. Shall see if I can fix this later on. I'm just playing at the moment. I found it there, Ecko. That's not Alexa, that's Arlo, I think, playing around. Oh, he did it just now. He had a beautiful picture up there.
Mr. Alexa, where is the garden?
Alexa.
Some popular gardens are the Butchart Gardens, the Huntington Library, Art Collections, and Botanical Gardens, the Brooklyn Botanic Garden, the Descanso Gardens, and the Desert Botanical Garden.
Here.
Alexa, what's the meaning of life?
The answer is 42, but the question is more complicated.
Yes, what is scribble plus scribble?
You have to say Alexa first, otherwise it doesn't know what you're talking
Alexa, what is scribble plus scribble?
Sorry, I don't know that.
It's scribble.
Alexa, what's scribble plus scribble?
I don't know that.
It's scribble!
Alexa, what's 2 plus 2?
2 plus 2 is 4.
Alexa, what is a million divided by 2 million?
1 million divided by 2 billion is 0.0005.
Well done, Alexa.
Alexa, I would like to listen Linkin Park.
Shuffling songs by Linkin Park on Amazon Music.